Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trade. So, with that, I think we'll proceed on to the live trades. So the key data out, okay, there's no data out now, and there's only in fact, three datas out from the US at 2300 hours. This is CB, Consumer Confidence, New Home Sales, and Richmond Manufacturing Index. Then we don't have any order failed. Okay, in fact, just now we were trying to buy gold. We missed by 50 pips, 50 points, and the TP also missed by 50 pips. I think then we have to do a re-entry again. So now let's see whether before we go on to the live trades, we'll just see whether we need to do any adjustments. Here, euro dollar, we are trying to buy at 10455. Okay, right now it's 105. Then pound, we're trying to buy. I think this is all hitting here our target. So all the price are hitting the target. So what we'll do is we'll try to extend this time by to 2000 hours, because still we not 2000, I think 21, because the data is out at 23, so we can even push it to 21. So adjust all the levels time to 21. I think we can put even 21 or 22. So adjust all the times. So later we'll do the adjustments. So we'll just I suggest you adjust all this to 21 hours. Okay. Now let's go on to the trades. Okay, trades. Okay, if you look into 360, gold is coming down. Okay, gold is coming down. So it should be a downward extension on the gold. So let's see this and we'll try to trade. Okay, euro is going up, but again this is still in a range on a higher time frame, which is on the daily. So this should be an extension, and the same thing for dollar CAD. So we can trade euro dollar, dollar CAD, and gold. Okay, we'll try to concentrate on all these three. Okay, let's look into euro dollar first. Okay, euro dollar, right now this is going up on the 15 minute and 120 and 240. So we can go for a sell on extension of this level. So where we'll be selling is we'll be trying to sell at 360 RR2, but I think we only have 45 minutes left. So we should be able to sell slightly lower. So then let's go into the dashboard. So we need to look for 360. Okay, 360. So we can sell at 530. 530 is a current week high, or 555 or 550. So any one of this level, then we should be exiting at 480. Okay, we should be exiting at 480. So let's look into the chart, then we can confirm on the entry point. Okay, remember this is a range trading. Okay, range trading or range extension. So 530, this is somewhere here, or if it goes breaks higher, because right now this is only the time is going to finish. So we can sell at 530 or 550. Okay, let's see. We look into this. Since the time is going to finish, we'll try to sell at 530 and exit at 480. Okay, so this is the thing, and of course on the higher time frame we can sell at uh, 5, let me see, okay, about 580 or 600. So we have two selling orders, because since the market is going up, but of course we know that this price is not an uptrend, this is still in a range, so we can go for a sell on a higher time frame. So we have two orders. One is a lower time frame and one is a higher time frame. Okay, then I think about 600 is safe, but I don't know whether it will be reaching that price. Okay, okay, let's move on. Okay, now we are going to give a sell order. $105.30 and 55. Stop loss 104.85 as TP. And remember, this is a scalping trade because this is in a range. So this expiry we will give until 6 plus 2 8, so until 8 20 100 hours. Okay. Next we will go for a sell. This is a day trading because we'll try to sell on the extreme. So this extreme is we'll try to sell at either 580 or 605. Okay, these are the two levels of selling. So probably we can put at 605, stop at 635, and TP, this one is since we are selling at 605, we should exit before 555 or 540, because that should be your target, because once this level fixed, then you know your previous high will become as a resistance. So we'll put it as 105.50 or 55. I think 55 will be better. Okay, so this one, the expiry will give until 23:30. Okay, so we have two orders on euro. Okay, we have two orders on euro. The buying order I think we have already missed, so we'll try to go for a sell, and we have two selling order. Okay, how you should be managing it is we try to sell 530 or 550. You know, these two levels the market should turn down. So we are expecting a market to turn down at 530, 530, 550 and 580. So any one of these three levels we can expect this market to turn down, because it's still in a range and this is a range extension trade. So we don't see the price moving higher. Okay. Then the buying part, I think we wanted to buy, we missed it. So I think we don't bother about that trade. Okay. The next trade we are looking is dollar cat. Okay, dollar cat. Remember the dollar cat is daily was up. Okay, let's go back into that system. Okay, dollar cat. So if you look into this, this is a daily extension up. Okay, we need to know what is the extension level, and the level benchmark level is 14040. So that means as long as the price is trading above 14040, price is expected to be up, and this is an extended version because this is not an uptrend. Okay, so what we feel is we should be trying to sell at the high, and today's high is 141.40. Is it 40? No, sorry, 141.80. Okay, the critical high is 141.80. So the thing we need to take note is whether the 141.80 the high is seen, or we should be waiting to see the price moving higher. So if you look into this, if you ask me the resistance, okay, I look at the resistance should be somewhere at RR5 on the daily, and RR2 or RR1 or RR2 on the weekly. So these are the resistance level for us to go for a sell. So to get that level, you just need to go to the dashboard, then we get what is the level, so then we are good to go. So if you see today's high is 141.80, and remember I told you it should be RR2 on the daily, which is sorry, RR5 on the daily, which is 14155. So if we are planning to sell, we should be selling somewhere 14155 with a stop above 14185. Okay, then of course your TP should be, we should be exiting before 14105 or 14065. So these are the two levels of exit, because you know this is already, the market is on the bulling, very bullish, and this is all the three forces are pointing up. So if we are selling, then we got to exit within this bullish zone level, so we don't expect the price to go lower. Since this is moving, then I think we can also look into Canadian crosses, because that also would give us a good trade setup. Okay, so now if we are planning to sell, like I told you, I want to sell at 14155, okay, which is our 360 also tells the same thing. If we can go higher, then we may see 14230. Okay, but of course let's go into the chart, then we see whether that level is okay. USD CAD. So remember, we are looking at daily extension, so which means this is extended, and I think it stopped at the resistance 14180. So as of now, I think we should be selling at 14155. I think the high we see is 14145. So we should have shorted there. I think this one also we have missed that entry. So now what we can do is we can, sorry, just give me a minute. Okay, here, okay, I think we should be, I think the high is already seen. So we will try to sell at 30 with a stop at 55 or 60. Then we should be exiting at 40.90. Of course, if it breaks this level, then it should it's going to go lower. Okay, if this breaks this level, it's going to go lower. So sell at 30.55. Then we can put one more trade to sell at 55 or 45. Okay, that should be another trade. But 141.80, I think as of now the high is capped around that level. Okay, so here I think we had an order at 45. Okay, I don't know whether the order got filled. Does anyone order got filled? Maybe can you just send me a text, because we put at 45, but 46 is the high. But our side, I think, not sure the server whether it's filled or not. Okay, the one I think I got to check again. See, so we put an order to sell at 45 and TP at 105 and stop at 70. Okay, but the high was 46.47. So I don't know whether anyone keyed this order and whether anyone got filled, because different brokerage will give you a different spread, and you may get filled on a different brokers. So if since this is not filled, okay, what we are going to do is now we are going to lower it to 30 or 35 and put the stop at 55 and 14095. Okay, and this is again, this is will give until 2000 hours. That means we'll give another 2 to 3 hours on this trade. Okay, so the main thing is we should have got filled. Okay, let me check whether the order is filled. Let me check. Okay, the order is not filled. Okay, I think missed by 1-2 pips. I think this is a problem sometimes we have, and especially if you're sitting in front of the screen, you should have taken the trade. Okay, so what we will do is this one. Actually, I think I don't want to give so much of time. Okay, what we will do is we will try to give until 6:30. That is 1.5 hours. Then we will put one more order slightly higher. So if we get it, then we will take that trade. Okay. So this one more order, we will go for a sell on the day trading, and this one is selling at 14155. Stop 5 pips above the high, and TP, remember this is in a buying zone. Okay, so I don't expect a very big drop. Only two levels of targets we can expect. One is 14105 or 14065. Okay, these are the two levels of target we can expect on this trade until this market becomes a reversal. So this is the two levels of target we can look. And this one we give more time. This one we will give until 22. Okay, so we have selling order, okay, at 4155. Why the stop is, sorry, I don't want to put the stop at 42. Okay, the stop is 4185. Okay, Okay. So this true trades is done. Then next we go into gold. Then finally we look into the dollar cat crosses. Okay, now let's look into gold. Okay, gold, right now we are seeing a range. Okay, range on the 360. So the range is between 2605 and 2687. Okay, that means there is about $80 move because yesterday there was a big drop. In fact, yesterday and today. Okay, so on the down, the daily we are expecting I think one more drop to happen. Okay, based on the daily, one more drop. On the weekly is still flat. Okay, on the weekly is still flat. Okay, so here since your 15-minute, 60 minutes is up, so we expect the strength to another 30 minutes. Okay, another 30 minutes. Then remember this is a range trade. So range trade meaning this should be the range between your 120 high and low, which is 2611 and 2632. So that means, in other words, if you are buying, you got to buy near 2611. If you are selling, we try to sell near 2632. Anywhere in between, we can trade. Okay, but of course, we need to know the levels. Then we can trade on these levels. Okay. So here, when we go into the dashboard, okay, this is gold. Okay, remember this is a range trade. So right now this is trading at 2631. Okay, I don't know whether it happened to be 2631. Let me double check because just now I saw 2617. Yeah. So it's 2631. So now we are going to trade this. We should be selling at 26 or 31. Okay, these are the two selling levels. 25 half, okay, 25 half or 31. Then if you sell at 31, we exit before 2623. Then if I sell at 25 half, then I got to exit before 19 or 17. So this should be your plan. Okay, but let's look into the chart, then we confirm it. Okay, so now is all I know is this market, this is got 2 hours is another 35 minutes. Okay, 4 hours is also another 35 minutes. So that is the main time. So we can sell at 25 half. Okay, so we'll try to sell at 25 half and put a stop above 28 or 29 half. Okay, then your TP should be at 18. Okay, TP should be 18. Okay, this is a range trading So it becomes a scalping trade. So here we will try to sell gold. Okay, gold we are having a limit buy on the daily. Two six two five five, 26295, 26175. So there's a $8 move that is available for us to grab, and then this one we will put expiry since half an hour this is expiring, so we'll give another 2 hours. Okay, which means that 6 8, okay, another 1.5 hours. Okay, so we'll give until 1930. Okay, so another selling level is 31 half. Okay, this is near the high, so if we can get that level then we will do it, but that is, I think we will do it on the next time frame. So 31 half is a is a major barrier, for that. Okay, maybe what we can do is we can give under the excuse me, the day trading call. Okay, we'll sell at 2631 half, and stop we'll put it as 34 half or 35 half. And this one, the TP, since we are selling at zone 5, we should be exiting at 25 half or 23. So 2623, sorry, 2623. Okay, this one we will put expiry until 20 or 21. Okay, 21 is the next time belt. Okay, so gold we have a sell 2 orders. Okay, how come got 2 orders? So repeat, sorry. Okay, we are cancelling one order because it's repeated twice. Okay, so we are selling at this level. Okay, so these are the trades we can do. Okay, now the thing is, see here also got 2 orders. I don't know why. Okay, so now next finally we will go into uh, Canadian crosses. Okay, we'll look at Canadian crosses. Okay, Euro CAD is up, New Zealand CAD is up, and literally all the crosses are up. So only the Euro CAD is showing an extension on the 360. Okay, and Euro CAD is showing I think much strength compared to the other crosses. So if we are planning to go for a buy, then we should be looking to buy Euro CAD. Then the others all we will see how is the status. Okay, let's go into the PT zones. Okay, now we are Canadian crosses. So if you look into this, we should be selling, if you want to sell EuroCAD, we should be selling at RR5. And dollar CAD on the weekly is showing strength, but EuroCAD, pound CAD, all these are showing some resistance. So we can look to sell Euro CAD, pound CAD at daily RR5. Okay, daily RR5 and 360 levels. So any one of these two levels we can go for a sell. Okay, how do we get that levels? We go into the dashboard. Okay, let me get okay, Canadian cross. Okay, now we can sell. Okay, your current day high is 77.45. So we can sell at, hold on, yeah, 77.45 is the resistance. Then if I sell, then I got to exit before 76.70 or 76.50. So that should be your exit level. Okay, because this is an extension. Okay, this is a range extension. Okay, let's look into the chart, then we may get some clear idea. Okay, let's look into EuroCAD. Like as I told you, this is market is turning up. Okay, market is turning up, and we should see the resistance here on the EuroCAD is 48.40. Okay, I'm sorry, just now we were doing pound CAD. Sorry, pound CAD. Okay, pound CAD, we should see the resistance at 77.80. So the market turned before hitting the resistance. So what we can do is, two ways we can trade. Okay, we will try to sell near 77.35, and remember I told you we should be exiting before 76.70 and 50, and the system also says the same, sorry, the chart also says the same thing. So what we can do is we can try to sell at 77.40, stop at 65 or 75, then TP at 76.90 or 80, not more than that, because that is the only thing that is available now. Okay, now let's do this on the scalping. Okay, this is 177.40. Okay, the price was 41, 41, and 177.70 and 176.90. So there's only 50 pips. So this one we will put expiry until we'll give another 2 hours for this trade. Okay, that means until 1930. So now it's 1730. So 1930 we'll try to enter this trade. So this is for pound cat. Okay, the euro cat also I think we can go for a sell. Okay, that one also I think we may have seen the high. So the euro cat, the current day high is 148.35, and we just now we saw 148.45 is our resistance. So if we sell at there, then we should exit. Okay, let me look into the chart. Okay, the exit, we should be exiting before 47.80. Okay, so let me share the chart again. So we sell at 148.35, stop at 55 or 60, and exit before 147.80. Okay, and this is not, I wouldn't say this is a daily extension, so this is a daily extension. Then we should expect the price to come down, then turn up again. Okay, so now, as of now, I think your hourly is already overbought. Okay, we already seen overbought. Okay, so this one, let's do the trade. This is euro cat. Okay, limit sell. This is, I think my server has to be resetted. Just give me a minute. I'll tell them to reset the server. So here we'll put at 60 as our TP and 147.85 or 90. Yeah. So we'll try to get at 40-45 pips or maybe 85, not more than that, because I don't think we'll get more than that. So this is again we give 2 hours more. Okay, so for those of you who came in late, okay, these are the trades. Yeah, gold is filled, is it? Okay, thank you. Okay, the gold, just letting you know, this is this strength may last for another 15-20 minutes. Okay, the gold will the push for another 15-20 minutes. Let's discuss this before we go off. Okay, why I'm getting all double entries here? Okay, I think there's something wrong with the server. I got to reset again. Okay, so this is we are trying to sell euro cat, we are trying to sell pound cat, and our gold the order. Okay, this is not, as I said, the server is not updating. Okay, let's reset the thing. Can the admin can help me to reset the server, please? Okay, then we are trying to sell dollar cat, and we are trying to sell euro dollar. Okay, and if you see here, the Sing dollar also we have all double entries. Okay, we're just trying to key in one orders, please, don't put double entries. Okay, let me check on this. So this is the trades we are going to take. Okay, euro cat, pound cat sell, dollar cat sell, gold sell, euro sell, and I think that's about it. So those of you who came in late, you take a screenshot, but of course there are double entries. The one I think I need to resolve it. So let me resolve it. Okay. Okay, yeah, thank you. Order is filled. Okay, now let's see, discuss the gold before we go off. Okay, so the gold, I think we should be comfortable with this trade, because the reason being is this should be moving another 19 minutes. Okay, we only have another 15 minutes left on this time, and your 1 minute. So even if this thing get stopped out, okay, try not to. I think we have one more entry, buffer entry selling at 31 half. Okay, try to be, but this strength we don't see is uh, just extending beyond another 18 minutes. So within this 18 minutes, we should see the market turning down. So that is the clue we can give. Let me see whether I can trade this. Okay, so so we don't. What we should be expecting is we don't expect this trend to last for another 15 minutes. Then later we should see the pullback at least to 20 half this support, or slightly an extension towards 18. So we should be seeing this. So you just have to monitor the trade closely and see. But let's say we get stopped out, then we should be seeing the market turning at 31 half. Okay, overall what we feel on this is, okay, the bigger time frame is telling us that we we may have seen the low, but if we have seen the low, then the price has to break 32 and close above this, or we may see an extension, the extension of this 32, which is maybe we can see 42, 48, then the market may come down. Okay, so the possibility is we should see the price breaking one more down move, then the market should turn. That should be our first plan A. Okay, and that is what we expect. But on the other hand, if the 32 breaks, then we may see the price heading towards 40. Okay, let me go to the system and at least I'll tell you. So, okay. Okay. So here, let me share the screen. Huh? Okay, the gold is filled and the server is resetted. Huh? Just okay. Here now, uh, so now what I'm going to tell you is what the system is saying is, if your 32 half breaks, okay, sorry, 32 or 32 half, that was the high. Yeah, in fact, the high is 32. So if your 32 breaks, uh, shit. Sorry, just give me a minute. Okay. If your 32 breaks, we should see the price heading towards 36, max 45. Then the market should be turning. Okay, so as of now, what I can tell you is the market is expected to turn in another 15 minutes, and it should fall back into the range. But of course, if the strength persists, because the strength can go for another 2 hours if possible, because that time belt, that's the next time belt we are looking at. So if it really extends for another 2 hours, then the next 2 hours we may see the price heading towards 2631 half or even higher. But whatever happens, we shouldn't see the price closing, this hourly chart closing above 32 half, and that is a key level for us to pay attention. But on the downside, once this 17 breaks, 17 and 11 breaks, we should see the price heading lower. Okay, that means I'll show you where is the. In fact, it says 20 half is the first support. We need to see that break, and if it breaks, then the next support is 17 half, and 17 half breaks, then we should see 11 half and 08. And once it breaks 08 half, then the price should break even that low and you should head south. Okay, so what we are expecting is, like as I told you early on, we are expecting that the low is still yet to be confirmed. Okay, we may see one more drop towards 2480, somewhere 2480 or 250. Sorry, 2 sorry, hold on, this is 26, sorry, 2580, not 2480, because the figure is getting all too haywire. So 2580, then we may see the price turning. But as of now, we don't believe that the low is seen, because right now this market is still in a range. Okay, I'll show you. This is still in a range. So until this level has to close above 57 or 52, then we can take it as the low is seen and we may see the price heading north. But until then, I think we still believe that we have one more leg down. Okay, right now this is consolidating and we most see one more leg down. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions or any other markets you want to discuss? If not, then we will end this session and I'll see you back again on 2100 hours, which is another uh, 3 hours, another 3 hours later. Okay. Okay. So if nothing, then I'll see you again in 3 hours time. And for those of you who are coming in first time, okay, like as I said, keep saying that our system is a very unique system. Okay, whereby we have done an R&D for more than 25 years, and the system will help you to give you entry, exit, stop loss, trend, directions, or whatever you need for trading. Because I'm being a trader, I know what are the problems, a trader faces, especially when taking decisions and how to manage the trade, especially when it goes against and when it's going in favor. Some people, they don't know how to take in your profits. So all these issues, it can be resolved. Okay, then one more request is for those people who feel that our system is good and unique. I know some of you all are following us regularly, and some of you, watching our videos after we publish. We are new to YouTube. Okay, we are new to YouTube, but we are not new to the market. Okay, the market, we have been here many years. So, and also we can look into our website. I think we generate on average between 15% on average, every month, and it is going to improve further, because now we are planning to concentrate more on day trading and swing trading. So once we concentrate this, I think next month from January onwards, we should be generating a consistent revenues. So if you're keen, of course, we want you to, I think what you should be doing is you subscribe and give a like, and please refer your friends, okay? Because we want this time to be very effective and efficient. So the group gets bigger, the more enthusiasm we get and the more markets we can discuss, because we can also do Nasdaq, S&P, Dow Jones, and all the futures. Okay, we're also doing futures as well. So if you are trading, then well and good. If you have any friends, also bring them in. Then we can discuss and we can trade together. Okay. So with that, okay, I believe the order is filled, and now it's turning. Okay, before we, like as I told you, I mean all you have to do is just have a 1 minute chart. So what we should be seeing is, I mean if you are right, we should be seeing the price slowly making lower highs and lower lows. Then the market should start to come down. Okay, once it comes down, then we know that we are in the right track, and we are going to make money on this trade. But until then, nothing is guaranteed. So this another 8 minutes, okay, you should be seeing this range until this market gives a turn. Okay, so good luck, and see you again in the next time belt. Okay, thank you and bye. Thanks, bye.